This is a 31-minute meditation practice, by the way, but we're going to do like, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. We'll see how we do. So you got the mantra, right? Satanama, and then Waheguru, because I'm not going to be saying it out loud. We're going to be mentally vibrating it. And I want you to be very clear to hear the sounds in your mind and feel the sounds, feel the vibration of these sounds. This is important. Just go with it. All right, so lock in your posture, spine is straight, shoulders relaxed, your chest is lifted, chin is slightly drawn in. You've got the mudra happening. Your thumbs are not touching. Remember, we're like this. Now closing the eyes down and then barely opening the eyes, looking down to the tip of the nose and then sliding the hands down beyond that, into the hands and even beyond that down into the earth. Just feel that connection with your eyes and your focus down through this lotus into the earth. All right, let's begin. And relax. Just sit still for a moment. Closing the eyes down. Just sit very still. Just sit in that what we call the fluid state. Just give yourself the opportunity to just be in the present moment, just sitting. If your thoughts are being super busy thinking ahead of what's to come or perhaps in the past, just observe, no problem. Just be aware that that's where your thoughts are taking you. Come back to sitting here, just relaxed and breathing. Stay with that sense of the big sky mind. Good. Inhale and exhale.